near a giant strawberry tree. Please enter. Hi guys. Please enter your message here. VC. Welcome to a new video, where we will finally get all things covered. Cancel. Please enter your not covered, but said. Please enter your message here. Courier came online. So first of all, this is the vineyard. Cancel. Space. Cancel. Please enter your message here. I am here since 2 or 3 days because you can collect strawberries and other things here. Please. S. K. Cancel. Please enter your message here. And I heard from the place because someone told me you can make juice with strawberries. Please enter your message here, and you can. Cancel. Pot. Nut. Pot. Strawberry. You mix the pot with strawberries and you get delicious strawberry juice. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Just combine a filled pot with strawberries. Please enter your message here. Strawberries. Please enter your message here. Then you can also collect leaves here. Please enter your message here. A. Blank. If you boil water in a pot, then you can make tea with leaves. Cancel. Please enter. U. Cancel. Please enter your message here. You boil the water like if you would cook the pot, just without skillet or spit. Then you need to quickly combine it with either leaves or with a meal kit. Giant strawberry tree. G. Cut. Then we can also get branches. Please enter your message here. Oh, and did I ever show you cutting down a tree? Cancel. Axe. Axe. Please enter your message here. The sound if it falls is also nice. Cancel. E. And now we can get wood. Snicker came online. Supernatural sunshine is straight behind, 1 feet away. Sunshine. Pasted. Private message sent to Sunshine. Hello. Please enter your message here. Yes. Then strawberries fall form the tree and we can get them. Cancel. A destroyed once cancelled. Please like Sunshine just did. What do you? One strawberry is behind and near. What? One strawberry is straight. A small near a giant strawberry tree. What? Peeps luxury. A destroyed tree is in. Giant strawberry tree. Private message from Sunshine. Hi, smiley face. You are not tracking any. So now track behind and a little way. Please enter your message here. T G N. Well, now let's explore the vineyard. Cancel. Strawberry garden. Giant straw. Press shift enter to go. Strawberry garden. Press Shift Enter to go to a small house. A small gravel path, behind and a little ways off to the right. 199 thirds. 8. You have strawberry garden. 20. 0 thirst. Empty. 23 hunger. You have just opened empty wallet. You behind and a little ways off to the right. Behind and slightly to the right. 1. Behind and slightly to the right. Behind and slightly. Behind and slightly. Amela's Daisy J's wooden shelter. Stop tracking. Amela's cancelled. Oh, one more thing. Please enter your message here. L. Yesterday staff gave out special items to all online people. Supernatural Sunrisers is slightly in front. Private message sent to Sunrisers, hi again. Private message from Sunrisers, hello. Private message sent to Sunrisers, be careful, I am making video. Don't give your personal details again, ha 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 ha. Private message from Sunrisers, lol. You making it again? Private message sent to Sunrisers, of course. Please enter your message here. Sarah came online. Private message from Sunrisers, so sorry to make you do it again, bro. And yesterday as staff gave those rewards there were almost 300 people online. Isn't that amazing? Please enter your message here, I mean, 300. Zero user came on. Private message sent to Sunrisers, as I said, if you could help me it would be great. Cuttier came up, Kintus came up, behind and very slightly to the right. Behind and very, behind. You are not, a small giant dead, press shift enter to go to a small house. Supernatural Sunrisers is straight off to cancel. Private message sent to Sunrisers, I am going in there now, if you wanna come with me I would be happy. Press shift. Private message from Sunrisers, okay. Unknown area. You enter to a small house. Press. Please enter your message here. S. I like small houses. An old clock. Current time, 7:35 and 49 seconds AM. Private message sent to Sunrisers, oh just 7 AM. Current time, 7:36 and 1 second AM. Please enter your cancel. Private message sent to Sunrisers, wait, is that the game time or normal time? A small house. Sun, you have just straight in. Private message from Sunrisers, it's normal time at your place. On a comfortable blue sofa. Seven. Salim Tahir, water. Stop tracking, cancelled. Please enter your message here, cancel. Please enter your message here. Private message sent to Sunrisers, did you even notice that there is a wooden shelter placed in the house? Private message sent to sunrisers, did you ever notice? Please enter your message. Cancel. Eldrick's wooden shelter. Please enter your message here. Eldrick. Cancel. Cancel. Please enter. H.S. was so clever and placed a shelter inside a house. You can't see. Private message from sunrisers, yes. Please enter your message here. Here is water to fish or fill things. A small sitting above. Cancel. Please cancel. Please enter your message here. LOL sunriser sleeping on table. Bedside table. On a small bed. Oh no, on bed. Please enter your cancel. Please enter your message here. Out of character, I think I need to take a nap as well. You can't. Hammer. Beer, hammer. Health drug, hammock. Hammock. Out of character, sunriser says well done. Please enter your out of character, Dobby says what? Please enter your message here. Mosinchazid went R.E. A bit sad that there are not dreams in this game. Mosin, out of character, Dobby, there is no one around. You can't see sunrisers. Private message sent to sunrisers, where are you? Private message from sunrisers, am here. Private message sent to sunrisers, I just also took a nap. Really exit, cancelled. 1005 energy. $1,005 energy. Please enter your AAAAA, cancel. Let me wake up. 3824 hunger. There is no one. You can't see. You can't see. A private message from Sunshine. Why you are not sleeping? There is no one. Private message from Sunshine. Oh, sorry. Wrong. Private message sent to sunrisers. Where the hell are you? You can't see sunrisers. You can't see a small. Out of character, Michael says yuck, I have 6. A small. Private message from sunrisers, am outside the house. A small house, under the open window. A small house. Press. Unknown area. Supernatural sunrisers is behind and a peaceful and beautiful. Straight behind, 1 tiles away. Shush. Surprised. Shush. Private message sent to sunrisers. Tired breath. Clenched teeth anger. Laugh 1. Please select a social. Please select a verb. Rustle and stretch. Cancelled. Laugh 1. Please select a social. Cancel. Cancelled. A small giant dead grapevine, 10 tiles. A peaceful giant dead grapevine. Private message sent to sunrisers. Oh my gosh, I am high. You are not No, a peaceful and giant dead grapevine. Your left toe is broken. 400. Cancel. 411 health. A piece. Jail. Private message sent to sunrisers. I fractured bones. You are not ass. Jail came online. Please, what? Ass. You have. Sunrisers just gave you 2 bone healer. Baseball, empty wallet. Baseball, bone healer. Private message sent to sunrisers. Bone healer, you have 69. Private message from sunrisers. Use it. Baseball, bone. You feel a force making your bones goose. Wow. A small gravel path. Giant dead grapevine. Giant. Private message sent to sunrisers. Let's make this tree fall. Anti-axe. Private message sent to sunrisers. Oh, it is not a real tree. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Private message sent to sunrisers. This is a fake. Please. A peaceful and beautiful vineyard. 62, 39 hunger. 20, 0 thirst. Empty wallet. You eat. 0 hunger. Pinging. Jail went offline. Nud. Raw fish. Nud. You have 1. Raw net. You have 1. Pen. You paper. Tea. You have 19. Pot of tea. You have 2. Please enter your message here. Current location. Giant. Press shift enter to go to a small gravel path. 80. Giant strawberry tree. 139 tiles. Cancelled. Please enter your. This is where we came from. Cancel. Giant strawberry crane near the pond. 145 tiles. Slightly in front. S. C. Private message sent to sunrisers. Press K and track clay near the pond and come there. Dobby came. Slightly in. Private message from sunrisers. It's not clay. Private message sent to sunrisers. I know. Slightly in front and a fair distance off to the right. Slightly in front and a. You have just opened. A rabbit is in front and. Private message sent to sunrisers. Killed rabbit. 1 death rabbit is in. You are not trapped. Crane near the pond. What? Stop tracking. A rabbit. rabbit is in. One death. Sitting supernatural. Sun. Behind and behind, straight behind, 2 tiles away. Left. Play, you have 2. Please enter your message here. Well, this is a pond with rabbits. Cancel. Private message sent to sunrisers, I will take a bath. 417, 11 hunger. Find what? Crane near the, press shift enter to go to juniper forest, 121. Private message sent to sunrisers, okay, today we won't go to juniper. Private message sent to sunrisers, or at least I won't. Willow Kelly went offline. 1. Stop tracking. 1 berry is slightly behind and far. Cancelled. Crane. Press shift enter to go to juniper forest. Giant dead grape. Press shift enter to go to a small house. A small gravel path. Press shift enter to go to wine cellar. 200. Giant strawberry tree. Strawberry. Stop tracking. Cancelled. Please enter your message here. Well, wine cellar is not interesting. Cancel. Please enter your message here. E-jail came online. If you now think, yes it is, there is wine in it, no, there isn't. I already checked. Private message from sunrisers, enjoy. Straight in front, baseball bat, balloon. Please enter your message here. Playing with my balloon. Private message sent to sunrisers, playing with my balloon. Private message from sunrisers, enjoy. Baseball bat, baseball. You. Pot. Pen, you have 1. Enter the title. Note video. You don't see any way to. Cancel. Pot. Enter the message for your note. Max 2000 chars. Note. Sunrisers. You. Oh, D. Cancel. Private message sent to sunrisers, why didn't I read it? Private message from sunrisers, it was note from Captain Max. Commandant. Please enter your message here. I just sent a note to sunrisers. Death rabbit, nut, baseball. Death rabbit, you have 2. Baseball bat. Private message from skip. Death rabbit. You skin. You nut, you don't see nut, raw fish, nut. Nut. Knife. 400. You don't see. Private message from Commandantius Asano went offline. You don't see any. Sunrisers just gave you 1 note video from sunrisers. Warrior 09 went offline. Please enter your message. I just said thanks for making the video with me. Cancel. Let's see. Note. No. The note says, "Don't worry bro, I will do it with you if I can." Quintus went up. Cancel. Zyro went offline. Supernatural Sunriser. Private message from Sunrisers. Did you read my note? Private message sent to Sunrisers. Yes. Where to get paper? Zyro came. Private message from Sunrisers. Not sure. Nut, raw fish, nut, nut. 27 hunger. 13 hunger. Cancel. And apple. Big note from note. Knife. 5. Knife. Apple. You carefully slice the apple. 400 sliced apple. You have 4 Sunrisers. You just gave 2 sliced apple to Sunrisers. The page came online. The page came. Private message sent to Sunrisers. LOL, let's share. Sitting supernatural Sunrisers. You Sunrisers just gave you 1 sliced apple. Sliced apple. 5 hunger. Left hand. 0 hunger. 47 thirst. Please enter your message here. I like that we can slice apples, haha. Sunrisers just gave you 1 cup of beer. Sliced apple, cigarette. You cup. Star Sunrisers says, ha. Please. Star Dobby says, ha. 49. 1 hunger. Out of metal, red rose, mulled wine. You have 10. Mull, type. Cancel. Cancel. C. Cancel. Please enter your mess. Star Dobby says, let's make music. You enjoy drinking warm mulled wine. We congratulate you on Christmas. Out of character, Nuclear says quest complete. The last dispatch, plus 100 lane points. Star Sunrisers says, what was that sound? Please enter your message here. Metal, mulled wine, Sunrisers. You just gave 1 mulled. Darken version went offline. Haha. Star Dobby says, haha. Out of character, out of character, Prabash says give me TLP, I won't go. Arielfmza went offline. Out of character, Serene Nature says you have 45. Please select. Out of character, Prabash says row flow 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 flow. Out of character, Sunrisers says I want mulled wine. Please enter. Out of character, Dobby says me too. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Nuclear says OMG I miss those questions XD, I don't know why. Many people would ask them in STW and I always would say yes, but sadly I'm already in village. Please out of character, Dobby says and I also want paper. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Dobby says I don't have that much paper. Out of character, Prabash says there's so many quests here village. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Dobby says can I please have paper? Javier went offline. You have just opened branch. You raw bear meat. Pink running shoes. You teleporter. You have grenade. You have 35. Grape. You have 3. grape. Enter sappy. 10 hunger. 0 hunger. Left hand. Sliced apple, raw fish, sliced apple, you have 1. Raw fish, you have 6. Baseball bat, you have just. Wood, you have 212. Fire with 135. Sliced apple, raw fish, you have 6. Net. Ripped pants, raw rabbit, you have 7. Black, ripped pants, raw rabbit. Glue, torn shirt, ripped pants, glue, golden ring, grenade, grape, grass, glue, golden ring, raw fish, sliced apple, raw fish, you have 6. Sliced apple, raw fish, you touched the fire, raw fish, baseball, spit, you, raw fish, baseball, you, spit, raw, baseball bat, you, Zyro came online, baseball bat, you, spit raw fish, raw, baseball bat, you have just, net, you have 1, spit. Private message sent to sunrisers, haha. Private message from sunrisers, it's too loud fuck. Private message sent to sunrisers, sorry it will stop sun. Private message from sunrisers, it's okay. You can't no. Private message sent to sunrisers, it's sucked. You have spit eatable. You have net. You can't see up slightly in front crane in front. You have just opened in front near the small crane near the straight in front 1 tiles away. Out of character, the page says guys how to get down from the bike. Out of character, nuclear says escape. Out of character, sunrisers says press escape. Out of character, Michael says press escape. Dead commander came. Private message sent to sunrisers, oh you are sleeping. Zyro went offline. Pinging. Please enter your message here. A, E. Okay now I think I will really stop. Please enter your message here. Zyro came online. See you in the next video guys, I hope you enjoyed. Cancel. Please enter your message T. If we are really going to do that what I planned in the next video, it will get cold. Cancel. Please. Cancel. B, E. And it will be an adventure. Please enter your message here. But I won't tell you more. Cancel. Out of character, Sarah says Asf J Skldaf. Out of character, Sunrisers says Wahahaha. Out of character, Nuclear says Alsk J Fast. Out of character, Nuclear says you. You found a juice box in the trash. Out of character. Supernat. You can't see. No. Supernat. You can't see. Supernatural sunrisers is slightly behind and a straight behind. Straight in front. Straight. Type. Private message sent to sunrisers, do you still wanna say something before I stop the video? Pinging. The ping took 51 milliseconds. Private message from Sunrisers. Thanks everyone for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe, and last but not the least, comment. And also, stay tuned for more such videos. Lala came online. Vencedor went offline. Ejail went offline. Private message sent to Sunrisers. Roflo, you stole my lines. Roflo flow. Please select. U L Private message sent to Sunrisers. Alright guys, you heard what to do. LOL. See you. Seiko. Dead Commander. Private message from Sunrisers. Cheers people.